Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making Briam, a Greek potato and courgette bake. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Add the potatoes, courgette and onion to a baking tray and mix together thoroughly. Pour over the tomato puree, olive oil and parsley. Season with salt and pepper before baking for 90 minutes. Give everything a good mix every 20 minutes or so. If the mixture is looking a bit wet, you can drain off some of the liquid. You'll soon find out that it's worth the extra baking time to get these soft, flavour-packed vegetables. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.